I want to make a QR code that will link to this YouTube video. So the first thing I need to do is choose my video. I'm going to click on the share icon here. I'm going to copy the YouTube link and then I'm going to open up a new tab. Now this only works in the Chrome browser, so you need to make sure you're in Chrome. I'm going to paste this, enter, and it will reload. And what I'm going to do now is come all the way along to the right hand side of the web address bar, and I'm going to click in it, and you should see this little icon here and it says create QR code for this page. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to download that. Now once it's downloaded, of course, I can upload it to my Google Drive. Click and drag and drop. And I'm going to rename this so I know what it is. I'm going to call it so I've named it so I know exactly what it is, Premiere Pro QR code. So now, for example, let's say I wanted to share this PDF which is already uploaded into my drive. It's a different process here. We need to make sure that we've shared this, so let's just click on here, share. Let's click on share. And currently it's restricted, so if I share this, it's going to not work. So I need to change anyone with a link. So now I've updated that. I'm going to copy that link, open a new tab, paste that link in, and the document will load up. Same process, click in the bar, click on this icon here, click on the download option, come back to my drive, done, drag this back up into here, rename that, and this is going to be click OK. And that is how I create QR codes, but it only works in the Chrome browser. On a Chromebook, the process looks like this. Again, we open up a YouTube video we want to watch into its own tab. We then click on the share button and copy the URL. Again, we open up a new tab, paste the URL in, wait for it to load. And again, we click in the URL bar until the little icon appears and download. Now to open this up in Google Drive, we show in Finder. We can then, if you've got Google Drive showing, we can just drag it across to our Google Drive folder, hold over the folder you want till it opens up, and then again drag it across the folder you want to drop it into. And once you're happy, just let it go and it will upload.